In this video, we're at Podium Mall eating and drinking. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Great Ancheta. Yes, great like Great Wall of China. I'm into food, travel, and real estate. Do consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, we're here back here at Sultan Mediterranean Grill and we're gonna try some other food, which is their hummus. Looks really good actually, and they have a big serving of hummus. It's for, how much is this thing? 135. Their signature hummus. But I must tell you, I enjoy hummus a lot because when I was in Israel before, for breakfast in the buffet, I would get the fish, really fresh fish, that's like, I don't know how they prepared it, and then slap on a lot of hummus on top and eat it with some bread. And of course, you cannot resist the souvlaki platter, which comes with 2 skewers, one, you can choose what you want, lamb, and I guess the other is beef. Pork and lamb. And chicken, you can choose, but what we got now is lamb and beef. Toda raba. We're going to eat this now. The hummus is a bit tasty, just right. So the hummus was served with two pieces of bread, but then it was served with this garlic thing, I think, and cheese thing. So I was wondering why they served it with this. It doesn't make sense. But anyway, we're gonna taste some fries here. Lamb. Oh, it's very tender. Now I'll just try some beef with rice. God, it's so tender. How did they make it so tender? It definitely was a good choice to come here. Maybe they feed the lamb and the beef, the cow and the lamb, like papaya, so it becomes so soft. But it's really tender. So guys, I must confess, this meal was like, what's the word? Amazing. I was to say, it was great because the meat is so like tender. It's just crazy tender, and then you have some salad on the side, and it's a perfect balance of meat and vegetables. Plus, they have lots of onions and pepper and tomato. It was so good. I would highly recommend you come here at Sultan. Now it's time to get milk tea. I'm still here at the corner market. It's like a small little alley. There are no shops on this side, but you can probably eat here with someone special. We're here now to try the Pinoy Seafood Tang. It's another weekend and it's time to try another milk tea place called Seafood Tang here in the Podium Mall, the top floor, and there's a lot of people here. It's like milk tea is like happening everywhere. Look at that, there's lots of people falling in line. Seafood Tang. Bagong saging. So guys, it looks like they have very few items on their menu, and then we just chose like the first two on the top of the menu, so I'm so excited to try it. So guys, the proper way to say the name of this place is Seafood Tang. Sing, the first character means trusted, and then the second character Fu means wait. Okay, so again, Sing is trusted, and then Fu is luck, and then if you put Sing Fu, it becomes happiness or well-being. And then you have Tang. Tang means like, so Tang means the main room in a house. When you put Ta is big, and Tang, it becomes like lobby. But this is just Tang, so it's just the main room of the house. So I guess it means like happiness room. But Tang, happiness room, it also actually, Tang means, it has a second meaning which is like sweet, but it's a different character. Anyway, we're waiting for our drink. And they give you a number and you just have to wait for your number to be called out. It's going to do its magic here. So delicious. So I guess while you're waiting for your drink, because there's a lot of people waiting for their drinks over here. See, there are people waiting. You have a choice to actually also get your fortune. So they have these sticks here which you're supposed to shake, and if one of them falls out, open the appropriate box and you get your fortune told. I'm not sure if the box is kind of big, so I'm not sure if you can lift it up and shake it. Finally, it's the moment I've been waiting for. Finally got my milk tea, which is the matcha milk with some pearls down. Some pearls. Brown sugar boba milk. So nice and chewy. Nice and chewy though. Yeah. The pearl is so nice and chewy. In the Philippines we can say, may paglaban. May laban ito. So guys, we're gonna try this other one. It's just milk with brown sugar and tapioca. I must say, I'm in love with their pearls. It's just the right chewiness. Although it seems like it's about to be slightly overcooked, but it's just right. I like it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Do leave a like or thumbs up down below. I'd highly appreciate it. And I would love to connect with you. Do let me know what other malls in the Philippines do you enjoy going to. Leave your comment down below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel. Anyway, here's wishing you have a great day.